In this next amazing episode of Mike's Garage, Kim gets pissed.
You're gonna be pulling this out of your fucking ass.
Mike falls in love.
Oh my god, guys, isn't she beautiful?
And Mr. Piggy gets a brand new sled.
Hi, I'm Jennifer Tilley, and you're watching Mike's Garage.
Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome to Mike's Garage. I do have to start this video out with a little bit of an apology. We'll have to finish the how to paint your car at home videos in the spring.
You suck!
Sorry guys, I got called out of town for work. I was gone for almost a month. So we'll finish that in the spring. But guys, there is bigger news going on right now. Yes, Kimmy got a new car.
Say what?
So let's check it out. But guys, before we go check out Kimmy's car, oh my god, that is badass, Mr. Piggy. So hey guys, this is just a quick little update video. I just wanted to let you guys know what's going on.
Jesus Christ, can you get some of this shit out of the fucking way so I can get in here?
Jesus, happy to see you too, Kimmy. What do you got there?
None of your fucking business.
Jesus Christ, it's your problem. You got a new car, you should be happy. We were just going out to see it. I knew you were here, so.
You ready to go?
Yeah, you lose the frickin' attitude.
Why?
Alright guys, a little update on the turquoise MR2 here. If you remember a few videos back, Kimmy and I put this engine in and everything was great, and then I was getting on it pretty hard and that damn eBay boost controller that I was complaining about a few videos back stuck closed, and it was pulling a lot harder than it should have. It probably boosted to like 35 psi, and I frickin' blew the head gasket. So that damn eBay boost controller, fuck.
If you would have just listened to me when we were putting the engine in and replaced it at that fucking time, you wouldn't have this problem, you fucking idiot.
Oh, I'm an idiot now.
No, you're a fucking idiot.
You know what your problem is, Kimmy?
No, Mike. Tell me what my fucking problem is.
You never had your butt whooped before. What you need is a good ass kicking. A good Detroit ass kicking.
Really?
Yep.
So why don't you go outside, practice falling down, and I'll be out there in a few minutes.
So anyways, guys, here's the new Comedic head gasket that I'm going to be putting on, and the new boost controller. So really sucks to tear this clean engine apart, but what are you going to do? Oh well. Okay guys, a few questions I had in the last video. What cup system I was using for my spray guns, and I used the DeVilbiss system. Other brands make them. This is just what my paint store carries, and it's a pretty cool system, the DeVilbiss D-cups. And goddamn, that reminds me of something, D-cups. I can't quite put my finger on it. Let me see here.
What?
Oh, I guess I can put my finger on it, guys. Oh shit.
Fucking kidding me? You do that again, and you're gonna be pulling this out of your fucking ass.
Damn!
Isn't she beautiful, guys? Kimmy, get out of the way. I'm trying to show him the jack. Yeah, guys, check it out. Isn't she beautiful? Guys, if there's one thing you're going to get from Harbor Freight is this jack right here. I don't know if you guys are familiar, but Snap-on sued Harbor Freight because it's basically the same jack. Very, very similar. All the same parts. But yeah, this is a rapid pump too. This thing will jack your car up quicker than Kimmy can throw an F-bomb in a Mike's Garage video.
What the fuck got her?
Well, maybe not that quick, guys, but anyways, Kimmy, pump it up, show them. Look at that, guys. Look how quick. And it's jacking Mr. Piggy up, no problem. So that's a good sign. Anyways, it's a great jack, guys. A great buy at Harbor Freight. We all know Harbor Freight has a lot of crap, but this is definitely not one of them.
So, how in the hell did you get Jennifer Tilly to be in our video?
Well, Kimmy, we got over 480 subscribers. Why wouldn't major motion picture stars want to be in Mike's Garage, right?
Right. Hey, Mike. What do you make of this?
Oh, that is interesting. You can see how the left side's completely out of sync with the right, but somehow it works.
That's what I was thinking.
Alright guys, we are going to see Kimmy's car right now. Good feeling I know what this is. If you guys don't know what Kimmy does for a living, she's the service manager at one of the biggest Subaru dealerships in Michigan. And there's the new car, guys. Let's walk around this baby. You think this wing is big enough, Kimmy?
Maybe.
Yeah, that's cool. What about the other one, though? I kind of thought the other one had a little bit cooler body style.
You wouldn't know cool if it bit you in the ass.
Well, hang out with these. That's probably true.
I make you look better.
Look how big those calipers are, guys. Jesus. God damn. So what year is it, Kimmy?
18.
2018. There you go, guys. I guess we're gonna go for a ride?
Of course.
All right. Okay, guys. Going for a ride in Kimmy's new ride. Let's see what this thing's all cracked up about. All right.
Put your seatbelt on.
Alright guys, let's see what the old Subaru is, what all the hype's about, huh Kimmy?
You already know.
Sounds good. What do you got done to this? You've done something without me. What did you do? You dirty rat.
I put a catless downpipe, NVIDIA downpipe on, and a catback NVIDIA Q300, and I have a carbon stage 2 tune on it.
Oh, well look at you, Miss Fancy. Thanks a lot for letting me know. Well, it should stop good enough. The brakes are huge.
Yeah, I don't have any problem stopping.
Oh boy, here goes the sun. Well, how do you like it compared to the old car?
I like it a lot better. And
Why? So what's better? What year was the old car?
08.
Oh wait, and what? And this is 10 years newer.
Yes.
What's so much better about it?
It's more comfortable. It's easier to shift.
Is it faster?
Oh, no, the horsepower was the same until I changed those things on it.
Okay, so it's faster.
Yeah. Not as fast as I want it to be.
Never is.
No.
Alright guys, here's the interior of Kimmy's new car. It's got these cool leather parts on the suede or Alcantara and their Recaro seats, which is cool. You know Recaro makes good seats, don't you, Kimmy? Yeah, shut up. Okay. Alright, here we go. Here's the dash. Hey, turn the key on so they can see the gauges. A lot different than your old one.
Yeah, it's a push start.
Yeah. Pretty cool. So this is a smart key too, right?
Yes.
GPS connected.
Alright, guys, so there's Kimmy's new car. So, Kimmy, you gonna let me drive it now?
No.
What if I give you this?
I'll think about it.
Oh, and hey guys, if you're wondering how the clear coat on the 89's holding up, the all candy wet clear coat, all candy wet that is, pretty damn good. Done this in 2014 and it is now 2018 and no problems with it yet.
So, what's going on with this pile of shit?
Well, since we gotta fix the turquoise MR2, this one's gotta wait. So I guess as soon as it gets a little warmer, we'll be back on this, guys. Sorry. What? What do you guys say, smarty pants?
You said we gotta fix the teal one? Is there a mouse in your pocket?
What? You're not gonna help me?
I told you
Oh,
to
obviously-
fix that before.
What?
I told you to put that thing on there before you put that engine in there. Ain't my fault.
What? You been drinking? Get the hell out of here! You're helping me, and you know it.
Hey guys, so I know this was just an update video, but we're going to have the next video out soon since it's starting to get warmer out on how to paint your car at home part 3. So if you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe and give us a thumbs up, and we'll see you guys soon.